Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today in this video you will learn how to use the 3 must-use tools in Photoshop: Magic Tool, Move Tool and the Crop Tool, and once mastered you'll save time and most create designs with ease. Adobe Photoshop is a very good design and manipulation tool, and it is being used by graphic designers all over the world. Today I want to share with you how to use the Magic Tool, Move Tool and the Crop Tool. Let's get started. Magic Wand. The Magic Wand tool selects areas of similar color. You can change the tolerance of a Magic Wand selection, and choose whether you want the selection to be contiguous or not. Hold the Shift key to add another selection to the first, hold the Alt key to subtract your new selection from the first, hold Shift Alt to select the intersection of your first and second selections. Use the arrow keys to move the selection pixel by pixel if you feel that this doesn't move your selection quickly enough. Hold down Shift and use the arrow keys to move the selection 10 pixels at a time. Press Ctrl J to copy the selection into its own layer. To cut the selection into its own layer, press Shift Ctrl J. If this seems familiar to you, it's because I mentioned earlier how to copy a layer using the same keyboard shortcut. Now that you know that not selecting anything sometimes means that everything is selected, it makes sense that simply by selecting a layer in the Layers palette, you can copy the entire layer by pressing Ctrl J. To deselect a selected area, click outside of it with one of the marquee tools, or press Ctrl D. To reactivate your last selection, press Shift Ctrl D. Move Tool. The Move tool moves a selected area or an entire layer. You can invoke the Move tool temporarily when using most other tools by holding down the Control key. For most tools, holding Ctrl Alt and dragging a selected area will temporarily invoke the Move tool, allowing you to move and duplicate the selected layer quickly. You can also duplicate a layer by holding down the Alt key while using the Move tool. The Crop tool. The Crop tool is used to trim images. Create a selection using the Crop tool, then double-click the center of the selection, or press Enter to crop the image to the size of the selection to cancel without cropping. Select another tool or press the ESC key. You can use the Crop tool to resize your canvas, expand your document window so that it's larger than the image area, and create a crop selection that includes the image and extends onto the gray areas outside the image. Applying this crop will resize your canvas to include those extended boundaries, making your canvas larger. That's it guys, and thank you for watching till the end. Let me know your views on the comment section below, and also subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell for more awesome and helpful tips and tricks for graphic designers. Goodbye.